our gospel today, we are called to action in three ways. First, to set out on a journey to share the good news. Mary set out on this journey to share the good news with her cousin Elizabeth. And she did not just travel on an easy journey, but she went her way to travel the difficult road going to Judea and did it in haste. Nagmadali si Maria upang ipahayag ang magandang balita, upang ipahayag si Jesus. This is also the call of action to us, that, like Mary, may we journey in haste to bring the good news to our neighbors. Tahakin natin ang daan, gaano man ito kahirap, upang iparating at ipahayag si Kristo sa lahat ng tao. Second, receive the good news with joy. Elizabeth said, "For at the moment the sound of your voice reached my ear, the baby in my womb leapt for joy." Katulad ni Elizabeth at ng bata sa kanyang sinapupunan na si San Juan Bautista, tanggapin natin ang mabuting balita ng may kagalakan sapagkat ito ay pagpapahayag ng ating kaligtasan ng pagdating ng pangakong manunubos. The good news is the fulfillment of God's promise. The good news is God's love for us. In John chapter 15 verse 11, Jesus says, "I have told you this so that my joy may be in you and that your joy may be complete." We are invited to receive the good news with joy, for Jesus, the good news, completes our joy. Third and last, to believe in the fulfillment of God's promise to us. Elizabeth said to Mary, "Blessed are you who believed that what was spoken to you by the Lord would be fulfilled." May pagpapala sa paniniwala, may pagpapala sa pagtitiwala. Kaakibat ng paniniwala ay ang pagtitiwala. To believe in the Lord is to trust in the Lord. We are invited by the gospel to trust in the promises of the Lord that He never abandons us, that He will be with us until the end. When life seems to crumble and fail right before our eyes, we must never waver, and we should find strength in the hoping for the fulfillment of God's promise to us. Brothers and sisters, these are the three things that the gospel today calls us to do. First, go on a journey to share the good news. The journey may not be that far. We can share the good news with our family, neighbors, friends, or the people we meet daily. Second, as you share the good news, share it with joy, that those to whom you are sharing it may receive it with joy. Jesus is the fulfillment of our joy. He is the good news Himself. Invite others to receive Christ with joy. Lastly, believe in the fulfillment of God's promise. God never fails His people. God never abandons His faithful. Patuloy po nating ihanda ang ating mga sarili sa pagdating ng Panginoon nang matanggap natin Siya ng may kagalakan at maibahagi natin ang kagalakan na ito at ang dala niyang pangako ng kaligtasan.